This blackened barbecue chicken recipe has the perfect way to get that crispy yet moist chicken that you love. The flavors are amazing and everyone will be begging for seconds. In a bowl, add the cayenne pepper, chili powder, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and sea salt. Mix to combine, then set aside. Arrange the chicken thigh fillets on a pan, then brush with olive oil and lemon juice. Rub them on both sides, then sprinkle the dry rub onto the chicken. Rub to coat evenly. Preheat the griller to a medium to high heat, then grill the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of the chicken. Remove the chicken from the grill and leave it in the covered pan for 5 minutes. Serve with barbecue sauce, garnished with parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.